Okay, Chris, a super quick video tutorial to change the pictures on the home page of your website. Here they are, which I did the other day. Obviously log in, access the back end of that page, scroll down till you find that area. So here it is, a few of our recent students. Masonry Gallery. So we click onto that. This is the bit we want to change. Here's all the pictures. Now if we wanted to, obviously, if we go back to when you were trying to do it, it would have your old pictures. So you just click on add edit gallery. These will then come up in your whole, will be there within the media library. So we go to add to gallery. We will then click on the ones we've just, if you haven't uploaded them yet, then obviously what you do is go up to upload files, go to your folder, click on access your folder on your computer, upload them all, and they'll be in there. Once they're in there, you can then go through and you can then, so for instance, as they appear in here, you just click on them to get a tick, and everyone that's ticked will then go into the add to gallery. So we click on that. So basically what you would have had was a group of pictures that were added to the ones that were already there. So in this case we've got a couple here. What you then do is, before you do anything else, is you go down to the ones you want to remove. It's assumed that these are the ones. You get rid of them. These are the old ones I'm getting rid of now. So I'm now left with the new ones I wanted to upload, which is what you would have tried to do. I then insert the gallery. I then make sure that the number in this box matches the number I've uploaded. In this case it's 18. I've done it so that it's the perfect automatic matrix. I've done this in terms of the image, the automatic. So I can do columns, but if I haven't got a number which actually multiplies easily with the number of columns, which I didn't on 18, I just chose to automatic based on screen width. I then saved. I then scrolled up to where it says update. I clicked update, and the rest, as we know, as I say, is history. I then go back to the home page. I then refresh to make sure that see what the edits have done, and if there's anything that doesn't look right, I'll go back in and tweak it. If I then go back down to where we were looking, and here they all are, and that basically is how you change them. Okay, so hopefully that will help. If you need any more clarification, just pop us an email, and I can help you out. Okay, that's it. Thank you.